Hi everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon and the weather is a-changin' across the valley. Let's bring you up to speed on what's going on. Of course, this morning was very mild, but the cold front rolled through right around midday, and now the colder air is starting to make inroads and the clouds are as well. Definitely looks a little duller here on 224 in Boardman compared to a couple of hours ago, and we had a decent amount of sunshine, but notice the pavement is dry. We're really not expecting much more than a sprinkle or a flurry for the rest of the day today. Kind of a slate gray overcast in Niles as well. And if you're, if you were heading out of Eastwood Mall now and you walked in there a couple of hours ago, you would probably be like, "Whoa, it's a lot colder than it was just around lunchtime." That's because the cold front rolled through and the chillier air is definitely moving in from northwest to southeast. We peaked at about 47 at the airport mid-morning. Now we're down to 37 here in the 2 o'clock hour, so it's dropped 10 degrees since those mid-morning highs. Notice in the southeastern part of our area here, the cold front isn't quite through yet, so we still have temperatures up near 50 in Elwood City and Beaver Falls and Calcutta, but it's in the mid-30s in a lot of the western areas, and of course the cold air is pushing in from the west. It's also pretty windy. It's been like this most of the day. Wind gusts continue to be around 30 to 35 miles per hour. You can expect that for the rest of the daylight hours, then the wind will tend to diminish as we go through the night. All right, we've got some changes coming up in our forecast for the next several days, and we'll cover all of that on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, including the weekend forecast, which promises to see a return of the milder temperatures. Until then, the rest of the week does, look a little more like January should. We're going to say goodbye to the mid-40s for a while. We're also going to focus on the long range tonight. Lots of interesting things to talk about as we transition into February. On the TV side and on your mobile device, you can check out my forecast this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. I look forward to seeing you then.